what you find with the student and self-sufficient is that the government currently want you to have had, over the period of living here, the comprehensive sickness insurance. What's strange about the scheme is that the government doesn't actually define the comprehensive sickness insurance, that obviously companies have worked their way around it to actually fit the European rules. So say for example you're a wife, you're a stay-at-home mum, and you've never worked, but you're an EA national, and you rely on your husband's wages to actually qualify for permanent residence after that 5-year period. You would have also had to have the comprehensive sickness insurance to qualify at the same time as your husband if you're an EA national. But if you're a non-EEA national, the position is different. You will apply just for continuously living with your husband and not needing, you would not have needed that comprehensive insurance. I mean, a non-EA family member one. Yeah? If you're a student and you've got a combination of work and study, for the period that you were studying, you would have, if you weren't part-time employed, because your part-time employment can get you out of it, you would have had to still have your comprehensive sickness insurance. So it's a bit restrictive in those categories, and also there are different aspects to the regulations, such as you can have periods of unemployment up to 6 months. If you if you work for 3 years and you become disabled, you can also qualify for permanent residence. There are various little bits in the regulations that can help people to achieve permanent residence. Obviously, after a period of continuously exercising your treaty rights for 5 years, you then are entitled to have your rights recognized. Permanent residence is not something that the government gives you, it's a right that is derived out of the convention. And what happens is you apply for the card simply because the okay, simply so the 9th of November 2015 they introduced the need to have the permanent resident card if you wanted to apply for British nationality. Okay, so they will not give you you will not qualify for British nationality unless you have that permanent residence card. And in some cases, years progressing, people have been denied the British nationality because they weren't able to show that they had registered under the workers' registration card issue. But I think as the years are progressing, we're going to lose that issue. Yeah? Because we're now, you can count your 5 years back to 2011 now. I think, yeah. So you lose that issue. So what we're looking at now is a period of transition and uncertainty. So we're looking at a period where the government is negotiating coming out of the European Union, but they're not giving any real information as to the people as to what they want the new resident scheme to look like. So we're actually working on speculation, and speculation, if we speculate, will bring us disappointment if things change along the way. So at the moment, what we're doing is concentrating on the current scheme. What I've been advising clients is if they wanted, say for example, their children to become British nationals, because you know you have children, they bring them up, and you don't want them to be subject to the new rules which are uncertain. Yes, go for your permanent residence, because once you've got your permanent residence, it opens the door for your children to apply for their nationality status, as opposed to sitting down and waiting to see what happens. That could be a folly. So I don't want to say too much. I think it's better to you to ask me questions about what you feel and to tell me how you feel and you know, if you want to have a grumble, have a grumble. I'm here to listen. Yeah.